Well, I think ocean pollution is a serious problem that everyone should be concerned about because this was a problem that was created by humans, not something that happened naturally. It was something that happened due to our actions. So I think it's something that we should be concerned about because not only does it affect the environment, but it also affects the marine life in the oceans, and that is something to consider.
啊！我在干嘛？哦，刚才突然弄了一大帮，我刚压下去就差不多，哇！那样子。
How every time I flush the toilet, the black liquid is in fact probably like my feces or other types of waste that go into the ocean, and I guess the tank is just like another representation of the ocean, with the fish being like the marine life in the ocean. So every time I flush the toilet, the black liquid that goes into the water tank is the equivalent of my feces going into the ocean. I think like prior to this experiment, I used to flush the toilet a lot, like not just when I had to go to the washroom. Like sometimes if I had like garbage or like tissues that I used, I would just throw it into the toilet and then I just flush it even if I didn't have to flush it. So I think like obviously during this experiment I only flushed the toilet when I had to actually go to the washroom, which I think is fine because if you need to go then you obviously need to go. But I think it's just something that I learned from this experiment is that like I shouldn't flush the toilet when it's necessary to flush it, like just only flush it when I need to go, not when I have to like garbage to like throw into the toilet. So like I used to maybe flush the toilet around like 10 to 12 times a day, but then during this experiment I realized that like I really only needed to flush it 4 to 5 times, so that's something that I've learned.